Looking for more keto diet recipes? Then you'll be wanting to try out my Keto Satay bowl. Loaded with flavour and so easy to make, it will be a new favourite of yours.
He's got budget meals for families, delicious new recipes. Bring your friends over, let's make it and share. It's Nicko's kitchen where satisfying meals are prepared.
To start, we're going to prep the chicken thighs. Place them into a large bowl and add in ground ginger. Next, add in some curry powder along with crushed garlic. Mix everything well and get those chicken thighs coated and leave aside for the meantime. Next, into a saucepan over a medium to high heat, add in peanut oil and then add in chopped onions. Sweat the onions down for a minute or two and then add the sliced red chili and cook for a further minute. Now add in the crushed garlic and curry powder and stir everything together well and cook for 1 minute. Next, add in the peanut butter. Next, add the coconut cream with a touch of Worcestershire sauce. Mix well until combined and then continue stirring and add in the peanuts with a squeeze of lime juice. Again, mix well until combined and leave it on a low heat. If you're finding getting it too thick, just add some more coconut cream to thin it out. Finally, let's cook the chicken thighs. Over a hot pan, add in more peanut oil and place in the chicken. Sear the thighs well, you want some colour and caramelisation on them for maximum flavour. Keep turning the sides until cooked through, which from start to finish should take around 10 minutes. To serve, into a bowl I place in some sliced cucumber and fresh tomatoes. I find these help cool the palate if things do go a bit spicy with that chili. I spoon in the satay and then add the chicken thighs. Sprinkle with more peanuts, more satay over the top, along with lime wedges and fresh cilantro or coriander. It's a wonderful meal to share with friends or the family at dinner. It's got so much flavour going on, you'll have a hard time thinking it's good for you.